New addition to the garden, dragon fruit, white pineapples. Something's gonna happen here. More dragon fruits. And this one is calamansi. It's got plenty of fruits in there. From the sun, barely you can see. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, that's a calamansi. And then we got here some oranges. So this one is Valencia orange. Okay. And all the barrels are like this. They call it the whiskey barrels. Dragon fruit. Okay, the reason this one is sprouting like this because my friend, when he gave it to me, this was laying on the floor, so it started to sprout into the ground. I could cut it off, probably will, but yeah. Yeah, I like to keep my plants off the floor, so that way the drainage is good. This one is lemon. Now this one is, what we got here? Maya lemon. So it's one of those very thin skin lemon. This one is mangosteen. If you don't know what mangosteen is, I'll show you the label. That's the label. Mangosteen. So when you open it in the middle, it's got a white fruit. This one is a mandarin. Okay. And this is the label. Emperia mandarin. Now all these trees that I got, they are dwarf. Okay, because I'm planting them in a pot. I don't want a big tree. And just some plants I need to go through it and clean it up. Let's go weeds around it. So yeah, that's it. Little bit of gardening, nothing major, but yeah. So let's step back a bit. With the sun, it's a bit of a hard shot, but yeah. So okay. Yeah. So yeah. It's okay.